We close out Anime April with 2 My Hero Academia Hot Topic exclusive mystery mini boxes by Funko. Although a store exclusive, these are available and out here now. There are 11 in this case to collect, but realistically it's the 3 exclusives required for completionist collectors. But there are 4 1 in 6s, 2 1 in 12s, 1 1 in 18, 2 1 in 24s, and 2 1 in 72s.
Go beyond! Plus!
On to box 1. It's Tenya Ida.
Tenya Ida is the class rep. Quirk, engine. The engines in his calves grant him super speed.
And box 2. It's a Chaco Uraraka.
You should have been more specific about what I wanted. This bodysuit is skin tight.
So a Chaco is a 1 in 12 exclusive, but Tenya, in this case, is a 1 in 12. But in the standard case, he's a 1 in 24. Confusing, since there's no difference between the two. Tenya has a great action pose, and both have clear aspects, which really enhance their appearance. With My Hero Academia 4 seasons and 2 movies deep, not to forget the manga which has been running since 2014, this is a series that Funko could easily continue to release, especially when you look past all the characters and consider costume variations and evolutions. If you are a My Hero Academia fan and can look beyond some unfavourable ratios, this may well be a series to seriously consider. But for now, we have to go plus ultra.
And now, dear viewers, I must say cheerio. Until next time.